Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a simple stick-on nails for my clients, and I'll be taking you through the process of my prepping nails before I fix nails for my clients. So I start by pushing the cuticle backwards with this cuticle pusher. After that, I'm going to be scraping the pushed cuticle of the nails with the other side of the cuticle pusher. There are two sides of this cuticle pusher. So this is the other side. After pushing it backwards, then use a smaller side to scrape the pushed cuticle of the nails. Most times I use my cuticle nail drill bit to take the cuticle off. That way it's faster, but it can be used only by professionals. So since you're not a professional and you're watching this, or if you're not a professional nail technician, you're watching this, you can just stick to using the cuticle pusher alone. So I'm just going over it with the cuticle drill bits I have, so that I can be sure that all the grown cuticles on the nails are off. So this is the process I use for most of my clients. Mostly I don't use the cuticle pusher because I want to work as fast as possible. So I just go in with the cuticle drill bit to take the cuticle out of the nails. So I have two cuticle drill bits. The straight one, I don't know what it's called, it's straight, and I just use it to like lift the cuticle of the nails, and that's the first one I use. And this is the second one, is like a ball. This is the one I use to now pack the lifted cuticles, the dead skin of the nails. Then I go in with my sanding bits to smoothen the nails and take out the one actually no. I just use it to smoothen the nails. That's what I do. I use this to smoothen the nails. Then I either nib the nails of the client, or I file it to shape. Some people tell me not to cut their nails. Maybe they are trying to grow their nails. I don't cut it. I just shape it. If some of them want me to cut their nails, I cut it and also shape it as well. So like I said, I'm going to be doing like a stick-on nails. So I'm going to be showing you how to do your own nails in less than 30 minutes. Like you need to go out for a function, I need to get your nails done. So this is the easiest way to do it if you don't want to do acrylic nails, or you don't want to do the lazy care method. You need a nail glue and a nail tips, a full cover nail tips. So now I'm filing, or I'm shaping a natural nails. Afterwards, then I'm going to be picking the nail tip sizes that we are going to be using for her. So I'm going to be using these nail tips I got from a nail vendor in Lagos, Nigeria. So I got this full cover square nail tips from her. I think I got it for about 6,000, 5,500, 6,000 thereabouts. So now I'm picking your nail sizes out. It is important for you to pick the sizes out before you start fixing the nails, so that it can make your work easier. So after this, I'm going to be there's this method I use in before I put the nails on the artificial nails on the client's natural nails. I file the back of the nails, like there's this I file the back of the nails so it can be flush with the cuticle area. I'm still going to file these nails to make it look natural. So I don't want to file for too long on the client's nails so that the fingernails won't be too hot. So I file the tip, yeah, is it called tips? I file the back of the nails a little bit before I apply the glue to stick it on the client's natural nails to make it flush with the cuticle. So I already showed you doing me fixing one of the nails, because like I'm going to be repeating the same process. So after that, I won't be cutting this particular nails. I'm just going to be shaping it, and I'm going to be filing the back, like I said, with my electric nail drill to make it flush with the cuticle area. So I actually thought I recorded myself filing the back of the nails to make it flush with the cuticle area, but as it is, I didn't do that. I just saw this when I was trying to edit this video. So I'm sorry for that. So guys, I'm going in with my base coat right now. So I'm going to apply my base coat first, then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds before I apply the base color of choice. So I'm doing this nonsense because I wanted the slow motion. Don't mind me. Sometimes I just feel like doing some. I just feel like playing with when I'm working on the nails. So I'm going to show you. Just I'm sure there's a video of me showing you how to apply gel polish on the nails somewhere on my channel. Just look through it and see how to apply gel polish, because I'm just going to be showing you me applying gel polish on one fingernail. So sweet color, right? I love this gel polish from Vinalisa. They have lovely products. So I'm going to be using these beautiful colors, bright colors to so I'm going to be using these beautiful colors to create a tie and dye nail art design on these nails. I'm going to do it on 4 fingernails, and I'm going to be using a holographic butterfly sticker to design the ring finger. So guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become a part of the family. And when you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, so you don't miss any of the videos I upload. So early this year, like I think around February or March, I got a mail from Born Pretty. I was given a coupon code that can be used to purchase items off their website, and you will get anybody that uses it will get a discount on their order. And guys, ever since I posted that, I don't think anyone has used it. Some people try using it in Nigeria, but because Pumpity do not ship to Nigeria, they could not place their orders. But today, I got a mail from Born Pretty that somebody placed an order on their website using my coupon code. I don't know who that person is. If you're hearing this, thank you very much for using that coupon code, because I get to keep a percentage of the purchase, like getting money from Born Pretty. So guys, I'm going to be leaving the coupon code again on the screen. It is Glitterspolish. Use that if you are buying anything from the website, and I'm going to be leaving my affiliate link in the description box as well. If you want to purchase any Born Pretty products, just click on the link to get a product, and you are going to be helping me make money, guys. You're going to be helping me make money. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments. Um, Thank you for everything. So guys, I need to stop talking right now. I need to go. So kindly watch this to the end. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this set in the comment section. And if you'd like me to do any tutorial, also kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you again in my next video. Till then, guys, stay blessed and enjoy these songs, or this song, cover song from Christine.
Wavy. On and on. It's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I might need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking. 'Cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the darkest times. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby, baby. Everybody used to say, no one loves you like this. No one wants you the same way. Love till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. So I gave you all you need. Gave you all you need. Gave you all and you give me all you need. Give you all you need. Gave you all, make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my, only you feel my, only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby boy. I want you there, but I want you there. Promise to treat your love fair. Whoa, 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 whoa. When we touch, how we connect. How we connect. Said this love have no regret.